What's going on, everyone? ArmyVetG. We back with another UFC 2023. So box break 3 and 4. So we got one little damage box. We're gonna save this one for last. We can get right into it, you know, not waste no time. Yep. We'll see what's going on with this. These are my last two boxes. So we're just gonna go ahead and get through this, and I actually got some One Piece cards coming in. Yeah, I got some One Piece cards. We're gonna open up all of these. It says, you know, one autograph and one memorabilia, so we can get right into it. Shh, man, I forgot. These are hella hard to open. 30 cards in the pack. What's this? Alright, let's see what we get. Alright, we're going to go through them. We're going to try to make it quick, and I'm going to separate. Boom, boom, boom. Upside down. So these are base cards. Base cards. Boom. Matt Serra, Edson, Ralph, I'm not even going to try to say that last name, Leon Edwards, Jamal Hill, Andrea Lee, Mike Brown, Francis Chan, Alexandre, Kevin Holland, and our rated rookie here, we'll keep that separated. My aunt's calling me too. Let me call her back. She hung up. Oh, we got a silver, press proof silver. Boom. Yeah, press proof silver. We got a blue. Let's go. I'll sleeve them up after. Oh, we got a purple here. Press proof. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we'll put those out of the way. The base. And we got our Marvels. Rose Namajunas. I don't think I had that one. I'm going to call my aunt back and tell her I'm going to call her back. Oh, shit. Excuse me. Crunch time. And Dominators. What the hell? Yeah, forget it. Alright. Let's get this open. So many cards, 30 cards in a pack. All right. And, you know, of course, it's not going to be boom, 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 upside down card. Tracy, Cortez, Brian, Lex, Jerry. Valentina, She ain't got good service. Hey, let me call you back. Alright, we got that done. Upside down. Chris. Huh. Nice. Oh, I just got to cut myself. Put that right there. Boom. Alonzo. get through the Dustin, Brooke, Lesnar, well, Brock. Rob Font, Authority. Let's go. All right. Hopefully we finished the base set. Got silver press proof right there. Another silver. We got a purple. Purple and Marvels, Zane, Welly, or I don't know. Crunch Time. And Dominators, Valentina. All right. Next pack. All right. Let's get with it. Let's get with it. Boom. Boom. Tired of these upside down cards. Oop, got a double. Alright, Marina. Daniel, Dan Hooker. Dan Hooker. Daniel Wood. Matt Chanel. Oh. Schnell, I guess. Jennifer Marie. Stephen, Anthony. Ketlin, Vidiet. Yeah, I don't know. Talia Santos. Jessica, Dominic, Reyes, Bryce, and our rated rookie. Let's put him right there. What's this? Oh, we got our first royalty. It's the memorabilia card. So we're gonna put that right there. It's Kimura Usan, but yeah, we'll get to that right now. Just get that silver. Aqua teal, I think that's what it is. And then the purple. Ooh, Untouchables, baby. Let's go. Untouchables. Fantasy matchups. All right. Crunch time. Kimura Usman. That's who we got right there for the memorabilia relic. Oh, it's Octagon Royalty memorabilia. Ooh, look at that. Nice. It's probably from his shorts, the little patch. And it's numbered 6 out of 10. Oh, let's go. 6 out of 10. I think this is the silver? Silver? I think this is silver. Let me put that right there. Let me get my sleeve out. Yeah, that's a 6 out of 10. Numbered 6 out of 10. Let's go. All right. Let's get that. Nice. Cool. All right. Put these up here. Yeah, I switched up my whole setup from the green room over here because I got tired of switching up my racing sim rig. I got tired of, moving it and all that, but it is what it is. So I'm in the living room. All I do is just move the monitor over here and I'm in the sim rig. All right. Boom. Ian Gary, Conor McGregor, Paul Craig. Darren Till. Bobby Green, Adrian Yanez, Matt Hughes, Corey Sandhagen, I guess, Jose Aldo, Sodiq Yusuf, I think that's how you say it. Jalen Turner, Jimmy Flick, Ricky Simon, Matt Brown, Jared Cannonier, Yadong Song, Andrea Arlovisk, I don't know. Kevin Gastelum, Israel, we're getting close to the other stuff. Dustin Jacoby, Rated rookie Norma Dumont. Press proof silver Mark Coleman. Another press proof silver Zane Whaley. Purple Tracy Cortez. Okay, Tracy, looking good. All right, Marvels. We got Conor McGregor. Glover. Yeah, I'm not gonna say his last name, but another Marvels. Crunch Time. Jessica Andrade. I'm guessing that's how you say it. All right, next pack. Yeah, man, I started watching One Piece. Digging it. So I started with the right stack. So that's where we got the memorabilia. All right. Manon, Chuck Liddell, Euresia, Ryan, Grant Dawson, Shamil, Patty, Mackenzie, Ilya, Said Nurmagomedov, yeah, Alexander. I'm not even gonna say their last names if it's so damn. Lauren Murphy, Zane, Willie, Cody, Amanda, Kimura, George, St. Pierre, Carla, Michael, Den, Vulcan, Devison, I don't know, Raid Rookie, Mohammed, Silver Press Proof Cody. I think we just got that dude again. Octagon Silver Press. Oh, what's this? I'm gonna put this to the side. I don't know what that is, but we got our retro series here. And the Untouchables, Mohammed Mokaev or whatever. Mokaev? Stairmasters, eh? Okay. And what was this upside down card? Ooh, we got us red. Numbered 41 out of 75. Joaquin Buckley. Let's go ahead and sleeve that up. Yeah, I can't wait to see Conor come back and fight again. I saw that last fight he had with Dustin where he broke his ankle. That would have been, oh man, that jacked me up, man. Because I almost broke my ankle one time. Shit. Alright. Got that silver. Or red. I think this is the red something. I don't have my checklist, but yeah. Number 4 out of 75. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Next stacks. The autograph is probably in this stack, but we don't know which packet it's going to be. All right. Henry, Tom, Brandon, Magomed. Ooh, look at this guy, Sean O'Malley. Sean O'Malley. All right. Molsar, Julia, Tony Ferguson. I want to see Tony fight. Alex Perez. Man, I want to see Tony fight. Khabib, that never happened. Robbie. That's the only thing Khabib has is this grappling and wrestling. That's, man, he's strong in that. Fucking out there wrestling bears and shit. Charles Oliveira. Aljamain Sterling. Gillian Robertson. Derek Lewis. Robert Whittaker. Max Forrest Griffin. Jose Aldo. Sodiq Yusuf. Jalen Turner. And our rated. Oh, we got a couple. I think I got him again. We already got him. Let's put that. That's upside down. That might be a number card. We'll see. Silver press proof. Silver Din. Purple Alonzo. Stairmaster Amanda Nunez. I can stare you down. I'll stare you down. Yeah. Francis, stare you down too. What's up? Marvels. Crunch Time, Jiri Pro Shaks Chazka, whatever. I don't know. And what's this upside down card? What's this? Oh, hey, this is our auto. This is our autograph. Andre Petrovsky. Rated rookie. Let's go. Let's go. Underrated rookie auto. Some autograph, you know. His name's so damn long, couldn't fit it on the damn sticker. So he put A. Pate. Yeah, let's get that top loaded. There's our auto, man. Let's go. I'm all about completing sets, you know, base sets and trying to have a master with every single insert. But you know, that's the goal, to get a master set for each one that I have, for each title of cards and years that I got. All right, let's keep it going. All right, we found our auto, we found our memorabilia card. Oh, what's this? What's this in the... Gotta fix my trash bag here. Everything's coming on done. Alright, there we go. Alright. Let's get with it. Let's get with it. Jimmy, Ian, Kana, Paul, Darren, Bobby, Adrian Yanez, Matt Hughes, Corey Sandegan, Paulo Costa, Manon Fiorat, Chuck Liddell, Jimmy Flick, Ricky Simon, Matt Brown, Jared, Cannon, I'm just going to call him Cannon, Jared Cannon, Yadam, Andrea, Kelvin, Costello, Israel, Dustin, Jacoby, Lauren, let's keep it going. Rated, we just got him again. Oh no, it's a different guy. Umar Nurmagomedov. God dang. All right. Yeah, that's a tongue twister right there. Press blue, Chris Barnett. Purple, Jiri. Dominator, insert. Kamzat. Untouchables, yeah, Khabib. I think I already got that one. And I think I got this one too. Matchups, fantasy matchups. The heck was this? Oh. Alright. Let's keep it going. 3 more packs. And then this was box 3. Alright. Boom. BJ, Dan, Neil, Justin, got Holly Holm. That's the one that beat gosh dang. Got him name blank. It's there. Rousey. I want to see Rousey fight again. Tito Ortiz. Matt, no. Ronda Rousey. Yeah, there we go. Ronda Rousey. Calvin, Michael Chandler, Jair, Tessia, or I don't know, Raquel, Pennington, Yan, Strawweight, the hell? Jack Della, rated rookie. All right. Silver, press proof, Daniel Cormier. Cormier? I don't know. Carla Esparza, press proof silver, purple proof, press. And then who's this? The Untouchables, Kamzat. Fantasy matchup, Charles Oliveira and BJ Penn. Okay. Crunch time, who's this dude? Tai Tuvasa. Okay, crunch time. Next pack. Get it. All right. Abu Bakar, yeah. Nurma, yeah. Gilbert. Sergey. Yeah, these names are Arnold Allen, Malan, Glover, Sergey, Nikita, Lee, Chris, Shogun, Tai, yeah, Raphael, Kamzat, Yana, Cyril, Amanda Nunes. All right. Derek, and we got our Octagon Authority. Yeah, just put that right there. Silver press, another silver. What's this? Retro series. Royce Gracie. Okay. Untouchables, Ian Gary. Ooh, we got a silver middle Untouchables press proof. Let's go. Let's put that right there with him, with all the silvers. And then our upside down card. Ooh, what's this? A hollow. 30? Something 30. Hold on. Let me go check. Yeah, so that card, this card right here is the Hollow 30th anniversary. Let's go. Out of 30, 21 out of 30, Jermaine de Randami. Okay, okay. 30th anniversary. Let's go, man. A Hollow 30th anniversary. Nice. Nice little design in the back for it. Damn, it's been 30 years already? Sheesh. Look at that. Okay. 21 out of 30. Even has a 30 in the back. Hollow 30th anniversary. Number to 30. Let's go. Let's get that top loaded. Boom. Boom. All right. Last pack. Then it's on to the next box. You got a big guy in the back. Big guy. All right. Let's get through it. Ryan Hall, Annie, Macy, Irene, Santiago, Alexander, George, Giga. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Giga, Gija, Sean, Islam, Andre, Carol, Anderson Silva, and Casey O'Neill, Michael. We got a card stuck there. Jens, Yara, Caitlin, Royce Gracie, Stipe, I don't know, Stipe, Peter, Marab, whatever, Red Rookie Terrence, Silver Proof, Pedro, Silver George St. Pierre. All right, what's this upside down card? We're gonna put that aside. And we got a retro Khabib. The Untouchables Alexander. Stairmaster Derek Lewis. Stare you down, bro. Stare you down. And this upside down card, Vulcan. Yeah, Zedmir. Purple, it's numbered to 49, so this is the hollow blue laser. And the red one is the red laser. Yeah, hollow blue laser at 49. Number 10 at 49. Let's go. Come on now. There we go. Boom. Let's put that right there. All right. That's that. Let's get with the next box. All right. Right here. Let's go. Can this damaged one give me some luck? We'll see. We are going to see. starting with the right side again. Let's get something good. Man, a Connor autograph would be cool. That would be nice. All right, yeah. John Jones. Just gonna go through it. You guys already seen them. A lot of doubles I'm seeing. All right, we got an upside down card here. Put that to the side. Silver, Anthony. Silver. And purple. Retro series. Yeah, we just got that. Untouchables. Stairmaster Connor. Let's go. Stare you down, Conor McGregor. Stare you down. Just want to see your eyes. Not gonna touch you. Not gonna touch you. Woo. All right. This upside down one. What's this one? Ooh, we got another autograph. Let's go. Our red hollow laser auto number to 49. Let's go. Hollow laser red number 49. Yeah, this is hold on, no, hold on. I could be wrong. I could be wrong on this. Okay, it's a base. This is a rated rookie signatures. Hollow red laser out of 49. Let's go, Aaron. There's only 18 cards in this. Only 18 cards in this checklist set. So rated rookie signatures, 18 cards only. And we got one of them, number 30 out of 49. Let's go ahead and sleeve it up. All right, Aaron Blanchfield. Hope I said that right. Don't beat me up, Aaron, all right? All right. Put that right. Yeah, rated rookie signature, base, and numbered parallel red. Nice. We're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. All right, we got our signature right there. Now it's looking for the memorabilia. All right, who's this? Johnny Walker, like the drink. Dan, Neil, Justin, Holly Holm. Casey O'Neill, Michael, Jens, Yair, Caitlin, Royce Gracie, Stipe, or whatever, I don't know. Peter Yan, Merab, Matt Edson, Raul Rosa Jr., rated rookie. Let's go. Silver, Taylor. Got that silver, Sean O'Malley. Purple, Vince. And then the Stairmaster, Kamzat. Yeah, stare you down, man. And we got that Marvels, Tai Tuivasa. I think he's got to be Samoan. He looks kind of Samoan a little bit. Crunch time, Amanda Nunes. All right. All right. Next. Tito Ortiz. Daniel. Blagov. Abu Bakar. Josh. Gilbert Burns. The cards, they feel pretty cool. They feel decent. Sergey. Alex. Shael. I don't know. Arnold. Marlon. Glover. Raphael. Leon. Jamal Hall, I think. All right. Andrea Lee. Mike Brown. Francis. Chan. Oh, I've got a card stuck there to it. All right. Alexandre. Kevin. Holland. Jack. And there's our memorabilia card right there. Jack Shore, our rated rookie, Randy Brown. And let's put this octagon canvas to the side. It's an octagon canvas insert. Silver proof mold. Yeah, there's no. I thought there was two cards right there. But I was wrong. All right. Blue or aqua teal, that's whatever it is. And we got another upside down card. Dominator Kamura Usman. All right. Fantasy matchups, Stipe, whatever, Brock Lesnar. I don't know, I think Brock will kick his ass. Look at the size of them two. Brock is so much bigger than this dude. I don't know. I think Brock will win that fight. Untouchables, John Jones. All right, John Jones, I see you. Let's see what this upside down card was. Oh, look at that. Number to 99. This is the rated rookie. This is the regular hollow laser out of 99. Yeah, hollow laser out of 99. And then there's a hollow purple laser out of 99 too. So this is the hollow laser regular. Yeah. All right. All right. Jilton Almeida. Kind of simple. Jelton Almeida. Almeida. Heavyweight. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's move this over here. Boom, 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 boom. And our octagon canvas material memorabilia card is going to be Brian Battle. Brian Battle. Alright, Brian Battle. I never even heard of you. Oh, it's a rookie card. Rookie card. Alright. Check it out. Yeah, the number card OC BBT Brian Battle. Okay. Let's get that in the top loader. All right. Yeah. Running out of room here. But it's all right. It's all right. It is all right. Daniel, Dan, Nathaniel. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it quick. Boom. All right. Let's go. Boom, boom. They kind of stuck to each other. There we go. All right. Rich Franklin. Dustin. Who's he fighting there? All right. Brock. Authority. Silver. Purple. Untouchables. And fantasy matchup, Chuck Liddell and John Jones. Well, yeah. I don't know. Marvels is this dude. All right. Next, let's get with it. Dang it, come on now. There we go. Sean Strickland, Cynthia, right. Raider rookie. Silver Raider rookie. And then we got an upside down card. Crunch Time. Max Holloway. Retro Series. BJ Penn. Untouchables. And then this guy. Oh, we got another 30th anniversary holo. Let's go. Number 3 out of 30. That's nice. We got 2 so far. The odds of that, getting 2 of them in one box. Holo 30th anniversary. Number 3 out of 30. All right. We'll put that right there. All right. right, next stacks. Left side. All right, who we got? Who we got? Valentina. Belay. Marvin. Fix all these upside down cards. Boom, 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 boom. Rated rookie. Put him right there. And we got silver Ketlin, silver Tom, and then we got upside down. I don't know what that is, but it's Ketlin. Our Marvels Alex. Crunch Time. I don't think I have that one. Card. Don't have her. Dominator. Islam. Whatever. Maka. And a hollow laser blue out of 49. Number 20. Let's get it sleeved up and top loaded. Let's go. Yeah, we'll put him with the lasers. All right. Next. Yeah, let's go. All right, we're gonna fix this upside down. Upside down, everything upside down. All right, let's go. Boom. All right, rated rookie, let's go. Silver, silver, Tony Ferguson, purple, and then crunch time, Charles, Dominator, Untouchables, Cyril, yeah, I guess. Next. All right. John Jones. Yeah, let's just get to the good stuff. You guys already seen all the base cards. Yeah, silver, silver. Oh no, that's rated. This is silver. That's silver. And then our fantasy matchup, Tito Ortiz and Jiri, Marvels, Glover, and Untouchables, silver, Patty Pimblett. And then this one, our upside down card, red laser hollow, hollow red, 52 out of 75. Cody Garbrandt, I guess. But yeah, all right, we got 2 more packs. 2 more. Put him right there. Boom. All right, last 2. All right. Yeah, we're not gonna get base cards are all in the front, so yeah. All right, our silver, Dominic. Silver, Julia. Purple, Marlin. And our Marvels is John Jones. Crunch Time, Juliana Pena. And our Retro Series, Michael Bisping. Last pack. Let's get it. Oh, we see something in here. It's another laser. We see something. We see something. We see something. Authority. Silver. Teal or aqua teal. And then this is gonna go to the side. Right. Untouchables. Jiri. Stairmaster Brock Lesnar. And then our Marvels, Aljamain Sterling. And then our last card is going to be out of 25. What's this one? Out of 25. Let's see. Let me look this up. Hollow Teal Laser. That's what it is right here. The Hollow Teal Laser out of 25. Let's go. Hollow Teal. Last card that we got was this one. All right. Can't complain. Number 3 out of 25. Let's go. Low numbers. Here's a base card. Looking good. All right. Yeah, this is the first Hollow Teal number to 25 that we got. Then we got, so recap, we got this. Our 2 canvas. We got the Octagon Royalty and Octagon Canvas materials. This one is out of 10. Let me double check on this one. Double check on this one. Octagon Royalty. Oh, they're all out of 10. Yeah, they're all out of 10. Number to 10. Michael Chisa, Robert, not in prime. Okay. This one is Kamura Usman. Just want to see what number he is on the list. It's a welterweight. Okay. Damn, I can't find his name. Usman. Shit, I can't even find his name. It'll probably pop up. I just can't find his name. So many damn names everywhere. Kamura Usman. There he is, I found him. He's number 41 on the list. But yeah, that's what we got. Canvas materials, and then hollow laser, rated rookie, and then the 2 hollow 30th anniversaries. Nice. Those are pretty cool. And then our signature cards. Rated rookie signature sets, base and the hollow red laser. Let's go. And then out of 75 number, 41 out of 75 and 52 out of 75. And then Vulcan and Ketelan. These are number 10 out of 49 and number 20 out of 49. But until then, guys, if you liked the UFC stuff, that was pretty much it for the boxes that I had. I only had bought 4 total for the UFC. Hopefully I completed the base sets, and then hopefully some of the inserts I have finished too. But until then, y'all stay safe, be safe, and stay collecting. Stay on top.